Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tita Aditya. In this occasion, I would like to give presentation about the company profile of Apple Inc. Apple Inc. is a multinational company headquartered in the Silicon Valley, Cupertino, California, involved in the development, design, and sale of goods such as computer software, electronic, and other software. In here, there are the picture of the Apple company office at the Apple Parkway in Cupertino, California. The next is history of Apple Inc. The first idea of Apple computer was born in 1974. 3 next years later, Apple founded by Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne on the 1st April 1977. And in this year, the first computer was sold. Macintosh is the one brand of Apple was introduced on the 24th January 1984. In 1990, Apple Computer Inc. has grown very rapidly and plummeted in the same year. After that, in 2007, Apple Inc. products sell soared and become known as the inventor of iPhone. Structural organization of Apple Inc. The CEO is Steve Jobs, and there is the picture of Steve Jobs in the left side with the one brand of Apple Inc. And there is the circle of the structural organization. With the orange color is executive team, the gray color is VP reports to Jobs, and the blue color is vice president. The main structural organization, the first is Steve Jobs as the CEO, or Chief Executive Officer, is the highest position in a company and has the duty to lead a company and is responsible for the stability of the company. And the next is Timothy Cook as the COO, or the Chief Operating Officer, is the one of the highest executives in an organization. The COO is responsible for the day-to-day operation of the company and regularly reports to the highest leaders like the CEO. The next is Peter Oppenheimer as the SVP CFO. Peter Oppenheimer as the SVP CFO, or Chief Financial Officer, is a position in a company that is responsible for managing the company's financial risks and financial planning and recording. The CFO reports to the CEO. And the last is Joel Poldoni as the VP HR. Joel Poldoni is a position that plans, develops, and implements strategies in the field of the HR management and development, as like including recruitment and selection of policies or practices, discipline, complaints, counseling, wages and requirements, contracts, training and development, and also succession planning. There are more than 130,000 employees Apple Inc. around the world in 2018. What are the work experience of Apple Inc.? There are many products that has launched by Apple Inc. as the work experience of this company. The first is iMac. In 1998, iMac was the first product of Apple Inc. There are series of iMac as like iMac Mini, MacBook Pro, Mac Pro, and MacBook Air. In 2001, iPod was launched as the first music player of Apple Inc. There are iPod Nano, iPod Shuffle, iPod Touch. iPhone was launched as combination of smartphone and iPod of Apple Inc. in 2007. iPhone is a convergence of an internet-enabled smartphone and iPod. And there are the series of iPhone that always upgrading year by year of Apple Inc. An iPhone became the one of the best-selling product of Apple Inc. The series of iPhone is like iPhone 3G, iPhone 3GS, iPhone A4, iPhone A5, and until the new one is iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max that has 3 cameras. In the same year with iPhone, Apple Inc. also launched Apple TV. Apple TV is a top-shelf video device to bridge the sale of content from iTunes with high-definition television. Another series of Apple TV is Apple TV Plus. Apple Inc. launched tablet computer that have multi-touch interaction with multimedia format, supporting a 9.7-inch screen called iPad. There are iPad 2, iPad Air, iPad Mini 3, and iPad Pro that has launched in 2010. In 2015, Apple Watch has launched a smartwatch for the first health product and sport recorder. There are Apple Watch Series 2, Apple Watch Series 3, and Apple Watch Series 4. Apple Energy, who sold solar energy, got a permit to build a Rubis power plant in North California in 2016. Apple Energy has a power generation in capacity 216.9 megawatts. And the last, HomePod, launched by Apple Inc. as the first smart speaker in 2018. The new one product that will launch by Apple Inc. is electric car. Apple wants to produce electric cars with autonomous driving capabilities by 2020. Apple has recruited battery development technician and electric car technician from A123 System, LG Chem, Samsung Electronics, Panasonic, Toshiba, Johnson Controls, and Tesla Motors. And in here, there are the picture as the design of electric car by Apple Inc. So, stay tuned for the new one product of Apple Inc. in 2020. Apple Inc. has opened more than 500 stores worldwide in 2019. The first two Apple stores opened in the United States in 2001. In 2003, Apple expanded its operation to Japan by opening its first store outside the United States. This step was then followed by the opening of stores in the United Kingdom, Canada, Italy, Australia, China, Switzerland, Germany, France, and Spain. In 2010, a major effort to expand sales in China began with the opening of stores in Shanghai. But there are 6 states in America that are completely untouched by Apple's official store. The states include Montana, North Dakota, South Dakota, Vermont, West Virginia, and Wyoming. Apple Inc. Global Headquarters located in the heart of Silicon Valley, Cupertino, California. Apple Campus has 6 buildings with a total area of 850,000 square feet and was built in 1993 by Sobrato Development Co. Apple Inc. has a supporting campus in Sunnyvale, California, which houses testing and research laboratories. Apple Inc. is the world's largest information technology company by revenue and the third largest mobile phone manufacturer in the world after Samsung and Huawei. Apple Inc. operates the iTunes Store, the biggest music sellers in the world. Until January 2018, more than 1.3 billion Apple products are actively used throughout the world. Apple Inc.'s revenue can reach $265,595 billion per year, with an operating profit of $70,898 billion in 2018. Whereas net profit about $59,531 billion. Apple Inc.'s total assets are $365,725 billion in 2018 and total equity of $107,147 billion in 2018. That's all about my presentation. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.